Is your Hyundai's alarm system driving you crazy with false alarms? It's a common issue, especially in models from the 2010s and 2020s like the Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, and Santa Fe. The most frequent culprits are faulty door hood switches, oversensitive interior sensors, and malfunctioning key fobs. Start by visually inspecting door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. A quick test: firmly close all doors and the hood. If the alarm still triggers, suspect the interior sensor or key fob. If you have access to an OBD2 scanner, check for BCM error codes, which could pinpoint the faulty component. Knowing where to look is half the battle. Before heading to the dealership, try a few simple fixes. For switches, clean contacts with electrical cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. For interior sensors, try adjusting the sensitivity setting. Check your owner's manual. If your key fob is the issue, replace the battery. A temporary reset of the BCM can sometimes resolve glitches. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. However, if the problem persists, especially with newer models requiring software recalibration, or if you're not comfortable working with car electronics, it's time to consult a professional. Many dealerships offer free fixes under updated technical service bulletins, particularly for known issues like faulty hood switches in Elantras or interior sensor problems in Tucson's. Ignoring the problem can drain your battery and potentially damage the alarm system further.